So why, while doing Vipassana meditation, should we do Reiki also? So ideally, it is not recommended. Why? Because Reiki, when Reiki flows through us, there is certain vibrations, right? You feel certain vibrations. And while doing Vipassana, what happens is that the vibrations which are caused by thoughts and feelings and emotions of the past, those are coming up. So whatever is suppressed is coming up, and you need to pay attention to that. So that's why Reiki and Vipassana should not be done at the same time. Since you can do Reiki and then you can do Vipassana, but both cannot be done together. Because if you are doing Reiki, then a lot of vibrations, Reiki or vibrations will be there, and you will not be able to notice any other vibrations which are automatically occurring. So Vipassana technique is you notice the vibrations, sensations, feelings, thoughts, emotions which are arising automatically, and let them arise. Let them come up to surface. Don't react to it. Just observe it. Just let it be. And automatically it goes away. And you become free from that pattern, that thought pattern, emotional pattern, whatever pattern it is. So you become free of that. And in this way, while doing this, by doing this meditation again and again, day after day, some point of time, all the patterns are gone. All the patterns are gone. That is called nirvana. That is a state of nirvana. There is no negative or positive or any other patterns, any type of pattern. So, and Reiki is very helpful for all Vipassana practitioners also, because sometimes what happens is that some patterns uh, like need to be healed, and some blocks need to be removed. So that happens quickly with Reiki and deeply with Vipassana meditation. So deep cleansing happens with Vipassana meditation. The combination always works better. And sometimes some of our patterns, even we can't do anything about it. We have to be healed by somebody, right? That's why we have in Reiki the attunement process, where someone else, your teacher, your Reiki teacher, your Reiki master, that uh, removes all the blocks, so that you reach at least a certain level where you can heal yourself then and continue your progress. So that happens in the Reiki level 1, and then again there is a deeper cleansing in the Reiki level 2 attunement, then a deeper cleansing in Reiki level 3 attunement. And so Reiki empowers you to reach to a level where you can heal yourself, uh, and then continue your spiritual progress. So once you do a certain amount of Reiki, then you are able to go deep into meditation, then you are able to progress faster in Vipassana meditation, and then all those patterns are dissolved, so you can reach faster in your enlightenment journey with the combination of both these things. But everything has to be done one by one, not both together. You cannot do both together. You have to do one first and then the other one. So Reiki is for removing obstacles on your path, like your blocks, etc. And Vipassana is for making fast spiritual progress, removing all the patterns uh, of the past, clearing your mind, and attaining nirvana.